Looking to break into the world of media? The Media Foundation program at George Brown is a one-year certificate designed to help you explore diverse career paths while building essential creative and technical skills. From photography and image manipulation to storytelling, audio production, and interactive media, this program gives you a solid foundation in the ever-evolving media landscape. The portfolio development component in your second semester is helping you create a professional body of work to seamlessly transition into diploma programs like graphic design, game art, and video production. Located in Toronto, a leading media hub, you'll have access to industry-standard facilities and valuable networking opportunities, setting you up for future success.